Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next question is, if Q is directly proportional to P and Q is equals to 28 when P is equals to 4. Express Q in terms of P. Find the value of Q when P is equal to 5. Calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. So first they are saying that Q is directly proportional to P. So we have discussed in the last question that whenever the two variables are directly proportional to each other, it means that there is a constant value which multiply by one variable to make it equal to the other variable. So if Q is directly proportional to P, it means that Q is directly proportional to P. This is the sign for the directly proportional. Q is directly proportional to P. To make them equal, we have to multiply a constant, a number with a constant. So Q is equals to, must be equal to K into P, and here K is a constant. Means that K must be a constant, and that constant when multiply with P, the value of P, then it will be equal to Q. So now we have to find the value of K. To find the value of K, the two values of P and Q are given. When Q is equals to 28, then at that time P is equals to 4. So it means that when Q is equals to 28, and at that time P will be 4. So we can find the value of K. K will be 28 divided by 4. 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28. So it means that the value of the K is 7, means that the constant is 7. So when 7 is multiplied by value of P, then it will be equal to the value of Q. So we can say that the equation will be Q is equals to a constant which is 7 into P. So this is the equation or the express Q in terms of P. So this is the first part. In the second part, they are saying that find the value of Q when P is equals to 5. In the second part, we have to find the value of Q when P is equals to 5. So we have to use the value, the equation. The equation is Q is equals to 7P. We have to find the value of Q, 7, and P is 5. So it means that when P is equals to 5, then Q must be equal to 7 5s are 35. So we can say that value of Q will be 35 when P is 5. Now the third part. In the third part, they are saying that calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. Calculate the value of P when Q is equals to 42. So by using the equation is Q is equals to 7P. Q is 42, 7. We have to find the value of P. So 42 is divided by 7. So P must be equal to 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42. So it means that the value of P will be 6. So we can say that the value of P will be 6 when Q is equals to 42. So this is the question. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.